Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic steel material for any object. Delete the cube. Go to Add menu and add UV sphere. Go to Modifier Properties and click Add Modifier. Then select Subdivision Surface. Change Levels Viewport Value to 3 and Render Value to 3. Click Apply. Go to Material Properties and add New Material. Change Metallic Value to 1 and change the Roughness value to 0.2. Change the Viewport Preview to Material Preview. If you go to the rendered view, all that we see is deep, dark gray. In order to use the same environment in the rendered view, click on this little drop down and turn off the world environment lighting. The material now looks like a steel material, but it does not look very realistic. It is very shiny and very glossy. So we need to add some noise into it. So split the screen into half so that we can work on the shader editor side by side. From Add menu, search for Bump. Add the bump box. From Add menu, search for Noise Texture. Add the Noise Texture box. Change the parameters of the Noise Texture box, so change the scale value to 500 and the detail to 10 and roughness to 1. Connect factor to height. Change the parameters of the bump box, so change the strength value to 0.2 and the distance to 0.1. Connect normal to normal. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.